So there's something that I wanted to tell about Simran. I want everybody to know. So when I initially met her 9-10 years back, I mean it's been so long. She was this young, innocent girl just out of college and freshly seeing the world, and totally innocent. And to what I see her today is somebody who's grown up with me and matured and turned into this young, beautiful woman who's married me, and seen her grow through every aspect of life, personally, through relationships, through her career. And it's been a wonderful journey to see her grow. A lot of things she says that she's learned through me, and then I'm the one who's going to face all the things that I've taught her. So that's that's something that we'll see now. Probably the next video after 10 years, if we make one, let's see what happens. But yeah, I just want to say that seeing her through this journey, seeing her how she is today, and like I'm really, really, really proud to marry the woman I'm marrying.
Of a lot of things that I see a lot of girls don't get, and he's very similar to my dad in a lot of aspects. The way he looks, the way he takes care of me, I think he's really fulfilled his shoes for me somewhere.
रूवी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा मेले आसा दे गिणे साहा दे तेथों प्यारिया
हो इश्क लगनो लगी लगे जीवे यार बुलंदा काशी तो काबार तो उच्चा सानू यार दिसेंदा
I think marriage to me is coming back home together and being together in one house, and that's the most I'm excited about after 9 years of waiting.
Dad once told me, that he realized the true happiness of life when he was married. But by then it was too late. To which Mom said that, Kunu, there's no term as happily married. Either you're happy or you're married. The one couple that I know will prove them both wrong is the both of y'all. 22 years, 22 years. You've seen me through thick and thin. And I mean literally through thick and thin. And I love you. And Sim, I know how much ever it could mean the world for you to have your dad at this moment with you. But we, your brothers here, promised you. We're gonna make this your best wedding. I mean, the best wedding ever. Can that be edited? Actually, fuck that shit. My sister will understand. I love the both of you all. I do. Sim, no.
तेनू हर गल दसांगे तेनू हर गल दसांगे अखां च वसा के माइया तेरे नाल ही हसांगे अखां च वसा के माइया तेरे नाल ही हसांगे पानी छन्ने विचों का पीता पानी छन्ने विचों का पीता तेरे विचों रब दिसदा तेनू सजदा मैं तां कीता तेरे विचों रब दिसदा तेनू सजदा मैं तां कीता रब ने मिलाइयां जोड़ियां अज शगना दी कड़ियां ने रब ने मिलाइयां जोड़ियां अज शगना दी कड़ियां
लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तू मनमानी सुनो कल रात की कहानी पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी लाख रोका था यारों ने के ना कर तू मनमानी मिली मुझे एक अप्सरा कहती मेरे कोल अप्सरा मुझको ये तू बता क्या तेरा दिल है लापता
दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए नैनों में किसी के खो गया वे की करिए ओ मैडम तेरी चाल तेरे सिल्की बाल अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँ मैं नशे में टल्ली हो गया वे की करिए दिल चोरी साडा हो गया वे की करिए
Rohan and all of us go a long way back. We were in the same flight school, so we have shared a really long time, really happy long time. And Simran, I've known for about last 6 or 7 years. You're a very sweet girl, Simran.
So Sim and I met on a friend's birthday, and the next day happened to be Sim's birthday. So we were also bringing in her birthday. And what we really connected on was my love for dance and her hate for dance, and her love for art and my hate for art. So we really got talking then, and that's when we built a friendship that is inseparable right now.
So I met Rohan and Simran 9 years ago when she just started dating Rohan, and she was like, why don't you see him, and I went, why don't you see him as to how nice he is, or what do you think of him, tell me. So I was like, sure. And then we went to walk on the beach, and they probably mentioned this 100 times that they went on beach to walk there. And one thing I realized about them is that they kept walking, and they kept walking, and they never stopped in one direction. And I know the car was parked in the other direction, so I'm like, ye chalne wale hain, kahin rukenge bhi. And while coming back, they were like, and then when I just asked them as to, really, like, are you guys going to take an auto back? Because I can't walk that much. So that just tells me that they kind of lose the track of time. वो बिल्कुल अपना टाइम भूल जाते हैं जब साथ में होते हैं, and that to me was very special.
I think he's the most loving I have seen in so many years to you. Again, I wish you all the best, and तुम दोनों की जोड़ी हमेशा सलामत रहे ऐसे.
God bless you guys. Have a great life.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना. मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना, छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा, तू ही है संसार मेरा, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा.
The best thing about Rohan is he is very caring. बहुत ख्याल रखता है सिमरन का.
wish them all the best and a really happy married life.
मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
ये सौगात किसे पेश करूं ये मुरादों की हसीरा किसे करूं किसे पेश करूं
Slow it down. ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा।
Sim, you're a superstar, you're a beautiful sister. आगे बोल.
We've all got one.
And we love you, Sim.
Yeah.
We
We love you guys.
We all do. And if there is one song that we want to dedicate to the both of you all, and Ro, more than you to Sim right now, is Dinesh bhai, please start.
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना.
Sim to you.
याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना.
पूरा दिनेश भाई.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी याद